everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something irresistibly cute and super soft, MINISO's plush toy collection. Are they just adorable, or do they actually feel like luxury at an affordable price? MINISO is known for their minimalist aesthetic and Japanese-style lifestyle goods. These plushies? They're not just cute, they look like they walked right out of a luxury boutique. Just look at the stitching, the finish, and the softness. These guys range from 899 rupees, super budget-friendly. But when you touch them, they feel surprisingly premium. How do they compare to, say, high-end brands like Jellycat or Squishmallows? Honestly, closer than you think. Beyond cuddles, they're also aesthetic. Whether you're styling a cozy corner or just want desk comfort, these plushies blend seamlessly. And yes, Instagram loves them too. If you're a student, a young professional, or just someone who loves cute things but doesn't want to splurge, MINISO soft toys give you that luxurious feel without the guilt. So, are MINISO's soft toys actual luxury? For the price, 100% yes. They're cute, soft, well-made, and perfect for gifting or self-care. I'd give them a solid 9 out of 10. Let me know your favorite MINISO plushie in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cozy content. Until next time, stay soft and stay stylish.